Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today here we'll see how basically we suggest to go with your own hosted Moodle account. So you see here I have a test account that is on the Moodle cloud, and if you want to install any plugin here, so will you be able to do that? So let's quickly see that. So under site administration you usually see the plugins, and this is a Moodle cloud. And if I go to my instance here as a administrator plugins, I see here the options to install plugin. Okay, but here on the Moodle cloud will not have that ability. So you will not be able to install any plugin here. That means the Moodle cloud has limitation in the way you will not be able to do any custom coding. Okay, so whatever the come up with the default Moodle, will have to stick with those features only. Okay, so this is the limitation, and that is why most of the people switch to Moodle cloud to their own hosted or the custom dedicated server. Okay, so that's it from this video. Thank you. Hope this will be helping you to decide whether to go with the Moodle cloud or the own hosted.